Hi, welcome to MSG91. In this video, we will get to know about how to use Campaign in Segmento. Click on Segmento. Segmento is a place to bring all your user and their attributes to make segments and run a campaign one time or ongoing. From here, we can add contacts. Click here to add contacts. Here we can upload contact in 4 ways. First is through CSV file, second via API, third by syncing contacts, and fourth through add manually. Click on Upload File. We are uploading CSV file here. Click on Don't Map. In this, we have to map the name of a column according to the details in CSV file to showcase on Segmento. Click on Add New Column to create new column. Afterwards, give the name to new column. After, click here and select the column type according to use case. Select accordingly, and then click on Add. Here we have to map all the column according to CSV which we had uploaded. Afterwards, click on Start Uploading. CSV file will start uploading and may take maximum 30 seconds. Click on Column. Here we can see the new contacts had been uploaded, and we can change the column display according to our requirement. After that, we will create segment for loyal customer. Note, for this case only, you can create according to use case. After that, click on From Where To and select accordingly. Then click here and enter the value as per use case. Then click on Create Segment. Give the name to your segment and click on Create. Here on right, we can see the segment we had created. Click to continue. Here we can see that this segment contains 2 contact only. Now move to the main dashboard and click upon the campaign. Click on Create New Campaign. Select which channel we want to use. First is multi-channel and second is single channel. We are using multi-channel here. Give name to campaign. After giving the name, click on Save. After clicking on Save, this page will automatically open, where we have to create the flow for campaign. On right, we can choose the channel. We had chosen email first. Click here to fill email details. Here we can select template of email. Select template according to use case. Click on Save. After filling all the required details, on right there were filters, where we can choose filters as per requirement. Click on Delay. Delay is most commonly used filter to create the customer journey. Here you can set delay in between the channels we have selected between email and WhatsApp. Here we can change delay according to use case. Now click on Save. Select WhatsApp for next step. Now continue through the next steps. Now click on WhatsApp. Next, click on Select Number. Select Template. Next, click on Save. Let's proceed to the next steps now. Add filters according to use case. Here you can select required details of the channel as per use case. This is how our flow looks like. Move to main dashboard now to start campaign with the help of Segmento. Click on Segmento. From Segmento, we can launch any campaign easily. Click on Launch Campaign. Select your campaign here. Select campaign as per use case. Click on Next. Select any segment created in Segmento. Select accordingly. We had selected Loyal Customers segment. Afterwards, click here to fill all our necessary details. Now, advance to the upcoming steps. In this step, we have to map all our channels details to launch the campaign. By clicking on Email, we can see the template used for campaign. And on clicking on WhatsApp icon, we can see the template used for WhatsApp channel. Here we can schedule our campaign for future use. From here, we can launch the campaign instantly after filling all the required details.